If you're looking to set up Folk CRM for enterprise sales, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps you need to get started, optimize your workflow, and supercharge your sales pipeline, all while keeping things simple. Folk CRM is designed to help teams manage and streamline their customer relationships with a focus on personalization and automation. Whether you're an individual user or part of a larger enterprise team, Folk CRM provides a powerful set of tools to increase efficiency, manage communication, and stay organized. To start, once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here's where you'll see all your recent activities, tasks, and upcoming events. The key to getting the most out of Folk is to keep everything in one place, and the dashboard makes that easy. It's intuitive and highly customizable, so you can choose which features you see front and center. You can set up custom views depending on your workflow needs, whether you need to see only your active leads or want a full overview of all your contacts. Next, let's dive into creating your contacts. Folk CRM allows you to easily import contacts from a variety of sources. If you're managing a large enterprise sales team, you'll appreciate the ability to upload CSV files or sync contacts directly from your email inbox. Once imported, each contact is automatically segmented based on your preferences, so you don't have to manually categorize them. What sets Folk apart is its powerful segmentation and automation capabilities. With Folk, you can create specific pipelines based on the stages of your sales process. For enterprise sales, this feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to track different teams or individual sales reps while keeping everyone on the same page. You can set up multiple pipelines with different stages: prospecting, qualification, demo, negotiation, closing, so everyone knows exactly where each deal stands. Now let's talk about the automation tools, which can save you a ton of time. Folk offers workflows and triggers that help automate repetitive tasks, like sending follow-up emails or assigning tasks to team members. For example, you can set up an automation to send a follow-up email to a prospect a few days after their demo call. This saves your sales team from having to manually remember every step of the process and ensures no lead falls through the cracks. For enterprise sales, the collaboration tools within Folk are a game changer. You can easily assign tasks, share notes, and leave internal comments on a contact record. It's like having a real-time chat within your CRM, keeping your entire team aligned without the need for endless email threads or meetings. Plus, the software integrates with popular apps like Slack and Google Workspace, so you can stay in the flow and avoid context switching. One of the standout features of Folk CRM is the ability to track communication. The CRM automatically logs every email and call, helping you keep track of interactions with prospects and clients. This means you can refer back to your previous conversations without hunting down information or asking your team. It's all neatly stored in one place, which is crucial for maintaining consistency in your outreach. When it comes to reporting, Folk offers powerful analytics that give you insights into your team's performance. You can track key metrics like conversion rates, win-loss ratios, and sales cycle lengths. These insights help you identify bottlenecks, improve your strategy, and keep your sales pipeline running smoothly. Plus, you can customize reports to match your specific enterprise needs, giving you the exact data you need to make informed decisions. Before you go, here's a quick reminder. If you're new to Folk CRM, I've got an exclusive offer just for you. You can sign up and try Folk CRM completely free from the first link in the description below. This includes an extended free trial with bonuses, which will give you full access to all the features, no strings attached. Folk CRM is a robust tool for managing your enterprise sales team, and by following these steps, you'll have it set up in no time. Whether you're organizing your contacts, automating workflows, or tracking performance, Folk can help make your sales process more efficient and effective. So go ahead and take advantage of the free trial, explore the platform, and get started.